Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the dog. Number 1. Dogs are animals. Number 2. They are loyal. Number 3. They form strong bonds with owners. Number 4. They have a keen sense of smell. Number 5. Dogs understand human emotions. Number 6. They come in various breeds and sizes. Number 7. Dogs bark for various reasons. Number 8. Dogs have a sense of territory. Number 9. They enjoy treats and rewards. Number 10. Adopting a dog brings joy to families. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.